Hello everyone, welcome to Sparkle English, my channel where I help you improve your level of English. In today's beginner grammar lesson, I'm going to teach you about when and how to use the verb to be in the present simple. The verb to be is the most important verb in the English language. We use the verb to be to talk about ages, jobs, the time, feelings, nationalities, and more. So first, I'm going to talk to you about how we conjugate the verb to be depending on the subject pronoun. I am. For example, I am Jennifer. Or we could say I'm Jennifer. Apostrophe M is the contraction for I am. You are, you're. He, she, or it, we use is. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, its. And these are all the singular form of the verb to be. We have 3 different plural forms, and for all of them, we use are. You are, you're. We are, we're. They are, or they're. So we use the verb to be to talk about names or introductions. For example, I'm Jennifer, I am Jennifer, or he's Jose, he is Jose. You can say either I'm or I am, but it's more common to say I'm to use the contraction form of the verb to be. We also use the verb to be to talk about ages. She's 19. You're 26. Or nationalities. I'm Canadian. They're Spanish. We also use the verb to be to talk about time. It's 1 o'clock. Or feelings and states. I'm angry. You're tired. We also use the verb to be to talk about weather. It's sunny today. And we use the verb to be to talk about descriptions. Jane is beautiful. After names, we could also use a contraction. We could say, Jane's beautiful, which would mean Jane is beautiful. If we want to make the verb to be negative, we use not. For example, I am not, I'm not. You are not, you aren't. He is not, he isn't. For example, I'm not Jessica. She isn't 32. I'm not American. It isn't 3 o'clock. You aren't tired. It isn't rainy. We aren't old. Now, if we want to make a question or an interrogative sentence using to be, we say, am I? Are you? Is he? Or is she? For example, are you Jack? How old are you? Is he 20 years old? Are they Italian? Is it 8 o'clock? What time is it? Are you hungry? Is it cold outside? Am I funny? A common mistake for many English learners is to add a question mark after an affirmative sentence. So, for example, you are Jack? This would be incorrect. We have to switch the verb to be and the subject pronoun. Are you Jack? Now I want to show you how to make a short answer. So if someone asked you, are you tired? You could say, yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Am I intelligent? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Is he American? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Are they married? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. So now let's look at a conversation example. Imagine these two people are at a party and they're having a conversation. You can see how many times the verb to be can be used in one small conversation. Hello, my name is Joe. What's your name? I'm Sue. Are you Canadian? No, I'm not. I'm Scottish. Are you married? Yes, I am. My husband is in the bathroom. Is he the tall man with black hair? Yes, he is. My husband is a police officer. That is an interesting job. I'm a doctor. Now we're going to practice filling in the blanks with the correct form of the verb to be. For all the questions with a check, we're going to answer in the affirmative form of the verb to be. I'm happy. The correct answer would be I'm happy or I am happy. Number 2, you tired. The correct answer is you're tired or you are tired. Number 3, she a lawyer. She's a lawyer or she is a lawyer. Number 4, it a rainy day. The correct answer is it's a rainy day or it is a rainy day. Number 5, they beautiful flowers. The correct answer is they're beautiful flowers or they are beautiful flowers. Now we're going to answer the next 5 questions in the negative form of the verb to be. I'm angry. I'm not angry or I am not angry. He 30 years old. He isn't 30 years old or he is not 30 years old. Number 8, it 6 o'clock. It isn't 6 o'clock or it is not 6 o'clock. 9, we married. We aren't married or we are not married. Number 10, you very nice. You aren't very nice or you are not very nice. For the last 5 questions, we're going to write the interrogative form of the verb to be. You Jason? Are you Jason? Number 12, it hot outside? Is it hot outside? 13, am I a nice person? Am I a nice person? Number 14, they your parents? Are they your parents? And now we're going to write the short answer. No, they aren't. Number 15, she your girlfriend? Is she your girlfriend? Yes, she is. So let me know in the comment section how many you got correct out of 15 for this practice quiz of the verb to be in the present simple. Thank you guys for watching this beginner grammar lesson on the verb to be in the present simple. Let me know how you did in the comment section below and what other types of English grammar lessons you would like me to teach you on my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next lesson.